Always consult the current maintenance manual and/or technical service document prior to performing maintenance. Inspect surfaces that will come in contact with Av-DEC sealant material and take corrective action based on current maintenance manual requirements. Clean area where sealant is to be applied with a solvent-dampened cloth, followed by a clean dry cloth to remove any remaining paint, dust, grease, fingerprints, or any other contamination prior to installation. Mask off the area where sealant will be applied. Check the expiration date prior to opening the sealant package. Inside the package, you will find installation instructions, a sealant cartridge, and 2 mixing straws. Place rectangular flange of dual cartridge into grooves on top of dispenser and slide cartridge into place. Lower cartridge retainer over flange of cartridge until it locks in place. Remove nose plug. Attach mixing straw to cartridge by inserting over cartridge tip and rotating a 1/4 turn clockwise until locked. Hold sealant dispenser with mixing straw upright. Completely fill mixing straw by squeezing the trigger of the dispenser. Over a suitable waste container with mixing straw pointing upward at a 45-degree angle and resin side over the hardener side, prime the mixing element by dispensing 1 full trigger pull of sealant into the waste container to remove air bubbles from the cartridge. Keeping the mixing straw pointing upward at a 45-degree angle, rotate the cartridge 180 degrees so that hardener side is over resin side, and dispense 1 more trigger pull of sealant into the waste container to remove air bubbles from the opposite side of the cartridge. Once priming is complete, dispense sealant immediately, as the sealant can begin to gel inside the mixing straw. If dispensing is halted for more than 30 seconds, install a new mixing straw on the sealant cartridge and reprime. Apply sealant to masked off area. Apply the sealant to the area to be coated using more sealant than is necessary to ensure sufficient coverage. Using a Hump seal shaping tool, smooth the sealant to the shape of the molded seal. Using an isopropyl alcohol-soaked cloth, clean the shaping tool and repeat sealant application until the affected area has been completely repaired. During repairs in multiple areas, when one person is applying the sealant in the next repair area, another person may shape the sealant and remove unwanted sealant in the previous repair area while the sealant is wet, within 5 minutes from the start of sealant dispensing. Once sealant repair is complete, remove masking material immediately as the sealant gels very quickly. When finished, if necessary, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol. If additional smoothing is desired, using isopropyl alcohol only, apply alcohol to your finger and gently smooth sealant. Repeat the smoothing process as necessary.